training program on the Alfa Laval freshwater generator. If it is the first time you are running this program, click on the Help button. Click the Credits button for information about the developer of this program. You have now started training on the subject Alfa Laval freshwater generator. The objective of this CBT training module is to learn about the operation of the Alfa Laval freshwater generator. General introduction to the working principles and parts. Starting procedure. Stopping procedure. This lesson will give a short introduction on the working principles of the Alfa Laval freshwater generator. The function of the freshwater generator is to convert seawater into fresh water by vacuum distillation for the supply of high-quality fresh water for domestic and process utilization. It is made for installation on ships and rigs and remote onshore locations. The Alfa Laval freshwater generator, JWP-26C, is designed for automatic operation with continuous control of freshwater quality. The generator's features are simple, compact design, titanium heat exchanger plates and other seawater-resistant materials, non-coated, combined condenser cooling, ejector water and feed water system. Freshwater. Some of the advantages of using Alfa Laval's freshwater generator. High quality fresh water, the low content of dissolved solids, salinity, ensures a supply of pure water which can be used directly as makeup for steam boilers. Long lifespan. High grade, corrosion-resistant materials, such as the titanium plates, ensure the long life of the equipment. Low operation and maintenance costs. Start and forget operation, combined with easy access to the interior, reduces the number of man-hours required for operation and maintenance to a minimum. Simple installation due to compact design, low weight, and the ability to be assembled on the spot. The Alfa Laval freshwater generator, JWP-26C series, covers a capacity range from 4 to 35 cubic meters per 24 hours, depending upon the heating medium and cooling water temperatures. The values illustrated are based on a cooling water temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. Distillers can be dimensioned to suit any jacket water temperature, from 55 to 95 degrees Celsius, and suit any cooling water temperature required. The quantity of fresh water produced can be altered within each size by varying the number of plates in the heat exchanger assemblies. The feed water to be distilled is taken from the sea cooling water outlet of the condenser. It enters the evaporator where it evaporates at about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius as it passes between the plates heated by the heating medium. The evaporating temperature corresponds to a vacuum of 90 to 95%, maintained by the brine air ejector. The vapours generated pass through a demister, where any drops of seawater entrained are removed and fall due to gravity into the brine sump in the bottom of the distiller chamber. The clean freshwater vapours continue to the condenser, where they condense into fresh water as they pass between the cold plates cooled by the sea cooling water. In order to continuously check the quality of the fresh water produced, a salinometer is provided, together with an electrode unit fitted on the freshwater pump delivery side. If the salinity of the fresh water produced exceeds the permitted maximum value, the solenoid valve and alarm are then activated to automatically dump the fresh water produced into the bilge. This illustration shows a cross-section as seen through the distiller chamber. The parts included are... Click the names to highlight the parts. The JW26C freshwater generator is designed for automatic operation in periodically unmanned engine rooms and other automated operations. The heating medium is either engine jacket cooling water or a closed circuit heated by steam. The ejector pump is installed separately and has a separate suction from the sea chest. This pump supplies coolant in the form of seawater to the condenser, feed water for evaporation, and water for the combined brine-air ejector. The built-in freshwater pump pumps the fresh water produced into the tank. The control panel, which is installed separately with motor starters and salinometer, supplies electrical power to the ejector and freshwater pumps, and control voltage to the saline. The basic equipment includes freshwater generator unit, titanium plate exchangers for evaporator and condenser, distiller shell, two-stage brine air ejector, freshwater pump, freshwater control sensor, internal piping. Click the names to highlight the parts. Additional equipment necessary for operation includes combined cooling and ejector water pump with electrical motor, control panel with motor starters and salinometer, feed water anti-scale chemical dosing unit, necessary at heating medium temperatures above 75 degrees Celsius. Optional equipment includes steam ejector system type JWSP and SP, equipment for steam boosting and hot water loop system, extended control panel with motor starters and salinometer, freshwater pH adjustment, rehardening filter, freshwater disinfection equipment. Connections according to ANSI and JIS standard. Complete information and documentation accompany each freshwater generator. The installation manual gives all information necessary for correct installation, including plant description, installation procedure, technical data and drawings. The instruction manual gives all information necessary for operation and maintenance, including plant description, operating instructions, chemical dosing of anti-scale chemicals, troubleshooting, maintenance of major components, spare parts drawings, technical data and drawings. This illustration shows the Alfa Laval freshwater generator as an integral part of a cooling water system. It consists